saying I'm pretty, 'cause pretty girls don't spend Friday nights alone in the kitchen. Stop saying I'm funny, 'cause funny girls don't lock themselves in a room to cry. Doesn't matter how many friends I have, 'cause truth is I'll sit down at 12 a.m. and the only face I see is me. If only 8 billion people could help a bit. Trying to cope with all the insecurities, seeing my friends having the best lives don't make me feel better.